Hey guys, it's me, Jason, with Inspire Scuba, and this video is for anyone who is a new diver or anyone who is interested in getting their first certification. So, let's dive right into it. Top 5 reasons as to why you should get certified. Reason number 1. Certification shows competence, or at least to some extent, a level of competence. No matter what agency you go through, they all have a standard of learning that you will go through in whatever course you choose to go through. So whether it's your open water or your advanced or your rescue, they have a specific amount of skills that you have to know and be able to perform before you get the certification card. This ensures that you have a level of comprehension and you meet the standards for whenever they do give you that handy dandy specialty card, you know. Reason number 2. It improves diver safety. And frankly, safety all around. It gives you applicable skills no matter what course you go with, whether it be buoyancy, you know, always keep breathing, you gotta use the lungs, or whether you're getting the rescue diver, you know, that is a absolutely invaluable course. You could not honestly put a number on it. The skills you learn in there, from rescue to keeping calm under, you know, dangerous situations, priceless, absolutely priceless. But aside from that, when you have that certification card, you're able to go to whatever diver, you go to work on your dive plan, and you say, hey, I am only a advanced open water diver, but your buddy has rec and cave and they want to do all this cool stuff. It allows you and your buddy to make a competent and concise dive plan that fits both of your levels without overreaching or putting any one diver in a dangerous situation that they shouldn't be in the first place. Reason number 3. Certifications can't be forged, or at least it's very unlikely that they'll be forged, right? I guess like they got fake IDs. I'm sure there's fake, you know, rescue diver certifications. I don't know why you would want to make a fake certification. That's just a bad idea. Do not do that. Anyone who knows how to do that, shame on you. Shame. Alright? Anyways, very hard to fake. Whenever you get the certification card, it shows other divers, it shows shops or resorts that you might go to that, hey, I worked with the instructor, they gave me their stamp of approval and said that, you know, I have adequate skill for whatever you gotta throw at me or whatever I'm trying to plan for my dive. Make sure that you have that standard level of understanding, you know? Reason number 4. Alright, experience. I cannot stress this enough. One of the great things about having a certification card is it is a badge to show that you have the experience in a controlled and safe environment with someone who ideally is reputable and knows what they're doing and is able to pass along those skills that they know to you. Reason number 5. Access. Alright, let's say that you want to make a cave dive. So you go to, I don't know, Blue Grotto in Florida, and you get all of your redundant system, all your gear, your 5 or 10 tanks, you're ready to go, you got your buddy, you guys are so pumped, you go over your dive plan, and then you get down into, the little cavern area, and then all of a sudden, you're met with this gate. Why is that? Well, for safety, obviously. They don't want any Joe Schmo or whatever going down, getting stuck in their cave, and being a danger to themselves or their buddy who doesn't have the training. So, how do we get around that as divers? We get the certification. You go to the shop, you present them with your certification card, they give you the key, and you're good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And hopefully the dive goes well, you have a good time, and it's a great experience all around. There you have it, my top 5 reasons as to why you need to get a certification today. Whether you are planning your next specialty, more on that in a following video, either up here or up here. Follow for that video soon. Or you're just looking to get your initial open water. Experience and the bonds that you make along the way are absolutely priceless, and it's just something to have under your belt. Plus, at the end of the day, certifications make great collectibles. You can go to your friends at the bar after, a few drinks, you know what I'm saying, and show off your cards, Who needs a black card when you have dry suit specialty card? Yeah. What about that, with their visa or whatever? Anyways, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, make sure you like down below and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay gold. That's silly. What would be a great outro? I don't know. We'll figure it out on the way.